lady, this is Allison Price with The Infused Life. Welcome to another DIY Wednesday. Just trying to situate my camera there. So today I want to show you how to make DIY cleaning wipes. There's a lot of different ways and recipes that you can use. This is one of my go-tos and it's super simple. So all you're going to need is some kind of glass container. I bought this at Dollar General. Ideally, it would be nice if the opening was just a little bit wider because depending on the paper towels I use, I have to kind of scrunch them in there, but it's not a big deal. Just something to keep in mind if you're going to go out and purchase one. And then you're going to need a roll of paper towels. You're going to need your container. You're going to need up to 2 cups of warm water. I start with about 1.5 cups or so, and then I'll add a little bit more if I need it. And then you're going to need a cleaning concentrate that you like to use. I choose to use On Guard. And it's important that whatever cleaner concentrate you're using is non-toxic. So that's part of the whole point of why we make our own DIY cleaning supplies, is so we know the ingredients in them because we're conscious about reducing our exposure and our family's exposure to toxins and chemicals. So I highly recommend the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. If you have one that you like to use, go for it. I would recommend running it through the Environmental Working Group's website to see what grade they give it. Because unfortunately in the industry of green cleaning and living a more non-toxic lifestyle, there's something out there called green washing. And what that means is companies use marketing, labels, and terminology to make you think that the product has clean ingredients, but that's not always the case. And I know that there's quite a few popular name brand cleaning products and supplies out there that are go-tos for people that I think they'd be a little bit surprised if they ran it through the EWG website and saw the grade it was given because of some of the ingredients that they actually put in it. Okay, so let me show you how easy this is to make. I'm going to take my water. I like to use warm water. It just helps things dissolve and emulse better. And then you're going to do 1 to 2 tablespoons of your cleaning concentrate. And I clearly just eyeball that. There's nothing scientific here. And then I also like to add about 5 drops of essential oil. Now, if I was only using water and essential oils and maybe some vinegar or some rubbing alcohol, I would add more. But because I'm also using a cleaner concentrate, just about 5, I think I probably almost did 10 while I was talking, is all you're really going to need. Any good essential oils with good cleaning properties is going to be great. Just remember to have a high quality therapeutic grade essential oil. A lot of the stuff out there on the market, GNC, Target, Walmart, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, it's garbage. Guys, I'm sorry. If you want to do this right and you want to truly be conscious about reducing the toxic exposure, the toxic burden on you and your family, you need to make sure that you're sourcing your ingredients properly. And when you do, you'll find that you're only going to need a handful of things for most all of your DIY cleaning supplies projects. Okay, so I chose lemon eucalyptus. You know what? Now, if you are an On Guard fan, if you use On Guard, now is a great time to be using On Guard as a choice, but I was just kind of drawn to the smell of the lemon eucalyptus today, so that's what we're going with, and it's good for cleaning. So I'm going to mix that together. And then this is the trickiest part of the whole thing. So I cut my paper towel roll in half. It looks like a massacre happened in here. I cut it in half, and then you do want to pull the insert out, okay? Pull it out before you soak the paper towels. I know sometimes it's easier to pull out once it's soaked, but then you're losing a lot of that mixture because it's soaking right into the cardboard insert. So then all you're going to do, and like I said, my opening on this jar could be a little bit wider. I've kind of got to fold the paper towel together, but once it gets in there, it opens back up. So it's not a big deal. And then I just kind of spread it back out again. Okay, so see, there you go. And then when you start using them as wipes, you're just going to pull right from the middle. But what we want to do first is put our mixture in here. And this is something that you aren't going to be able to quite use right away because you need to give the liquid time to soak up through all of the paper towel. And you do want to use a high quality paper towel. your knockoff dollar store brands. Trust me, I've tried. They don't work. You need something thicker. So this is actually Scott's brand, and this works really well because when you pull this out, you don't want it disintegrating. You know, these are cleaning wipes. We're going to be wiping down countertops and toilet seats and toilet lids and toilet handles and door handles and, you know, all that kind of stuff. So you want something that's going to stand up to be able to be wiping things down and not just disintegrating. So I'm actually going to I'm probably going to do a full 2 cups. This looks like it'll take a full 2 cups, but you just want to give it some time to soak all the way down into your paper towels. And this is something that you do need to store with a lid. So there's my lid. If you find that when you pour in your mixture, you've got a lot sitting at the bottom, don't worry. The paper towels obviously are going to soak that up, but you can also turn it upside down and let it soak up a little bit that way as well. There you have it. Your clean, easy, non-toxic cleaning wipes, reducing your family's toxic burden. You know what's in it. You know it's healthy ingredients. And bonus, when you're using the essential oils, they're supporting your immune system. They're supporting your respiratory system instead of hindering it and causing all kinds of chaos, added chaos that we don't need, right? So easy DIY cleaning wipes. Try it out. Let me know what you think. And if you have not yet received my top 5 DIY recipes to get started making your own green cleaning supplies, you can get it at bit.ly/top, the number 5, and then capital D, capital I, capital Y. All right, everyone, have a great week. Have a spooky weekend, and I will see you again here next Wednesday.